Hello. Almost all of us saw some rain on Tuesday as an area of low pressure worked its way from south to north across the UK. Today, the low centre is going to pull out into the North Sea, but we will still see a weather front trailing to the rear of it, bringing some rain into the northern half of the UK. And then notice this front here further south across the continent. More possibly to come out of that as we look at the forecast for overnight and into Thursday. But let's start with this morning and that pretty grey and wet start for Scotland and Northern Ireland. Slightly breezy here as well, still close to the low centre. Further south, it's a quieter start, a few showers for northern England and North Wales. Some sunshine as we make our way into southern England. Perhaps a few early morning patches of mist, but they should be fairly short-lived. And then, as the day progresses, we continue to keep a lot of cloud across Northern Ireland and Scotland. Perhaps through the afternoon, some brighter spells eventually getting into southern Scotland. Chance of some showers here too. Further south, a dry story, aside from the chance of a few showers across the southwest peninsula, perhaps as far east as Oxfordshire. But overall, a lot of fine weather. Temperatures from about 12 in Aberdeen to 20 in the south. And then through the evening and overnight, up comes that little pulse on the trailing weather front you saw across the continent. Now, there's some uncertainty about this as to just how far onshore it may come. It could well be that the majority of the rain stays out in the North Sea, although we could see some heavy downpours just clipping easternmost England. Certainly, it looks like the low will push up through the North Sea on Thursday, finally bringing some more persistent rain into northern Scotland through the day. At the moment, though, as I said, most of the wet weather will stay offshore, but there could be some heavy showers through the day for the North Sea coastal regions of the northeast of England, and then eventually later on some heavier, more persistent rain coming to rest to the north of Scotland. For many, though, Thursday actually looks like a fine day with some decent spells of sunshine. Temperatures a bit disappointing, average or slightly below. And then Thursday into Friday, another area of low pressure for us to contend with. Again, some uncertainty about the exact timings of how quickly it will work its way north, but it looks like most areas will see some windy weather and a wet spell to end this week. It also looks like things will stay pretty unsettled on into the weekend.